Thank you for joining us at the Empowered Influential Awards 2020 virtual event, presented by Spectrum Health. Congratulations to Kris Mathis, a 2020 Empowered Influential Award honoree. Kris Mathis, owner of Razor Glass Wine Tools, is being honored with a 2020 Empowered Influential Connector Award.
Hey everyone, thank you for this opportunity. I am Kris Mathis, the founder of Razor Glass Wine Tools. I am truly humbled to be selected as an Empowered Influential Award 2020 Connector honoree. I created Razor Glass Wine Tools to share my passion for good grapes and food with other wine lovers and foodies and those new to both, but want to learn more. I also wanted to encourage more people of color to come out and learn and enjoy wine in a way like they never have before. I believe that as we continue to work together in this amazing industry, that we'll see more of us begin to celebrate wine, food, and our amazing culture together. Thank you.
Introducing Empowered Talent, a diverse job board and talent center, advancing opportunities for Black, Hispanic, Asian Pacific, and Indigenous Native American students and professionals in West Michigan. Find your next internship, career, or diverse hire at talent.empoweredx.com.